Okay, for my statistics final project, I asked how many people in Florida own a dog. According to the website that I used to cite, 39.8% of Florida households own a dog. The reason I chose to do this project was I'm a dog owner myself, obviously. And I was very curious as to how many people in Florida own a dog. I avoid bias by asking 65 random people at my store that would walk in, just customers, real quick while we were checking them out. I would ask, and it made it easier to avoid bias by making it different races, ages, and gender. 28 people said yes, and 37 people said no. HOP equals 0.398, the proportion of people in Florida who own dogs, and HA is P is greater than 0.398. The proportion of people in Florida who own dogs is greater than 39.8%. The data was collected was randomly. It's a larger sample. Population is larger than 10 times the sample size. And then over here we have NP is greater than 10. NP 1 minus, or N times 1 minus P is greater than 10. Comes out right here. All conditions are met. And then here we show our calculations where P hat in 28 over 65 is equals to 0.43, which we will insert over here. And then we discover that our p-value is 0.29 and that our z-test statistics comes out to 0.53. Here it shows on the graph. And then since p-value is 0.29, it is not less than alpha. The conclusion is not reject. Do not reject HO. I do not reject HO. There is not enough significant evidence to reject it. I conclude the proportion of people in Florida who own dogs is not greater than 39.8. I don't know what that would be, but. And then here we complete the confidence level, where 0.43 plus and minus 1.96, which is the 95% confidence level, and then our SE. I am 95% confident that the proportion of people who own a dog in Florida are between 32% and 54%. And I genuinely enjoyed doing this project. It was fun getting to chat with my customers and hearing about their pets. So yeah.